freezing.
You come down the stairs?
There you go. Good. One more step. Take a breather. Halfway home. On the walk. Little camera fret. Camera fret. Here we go. That wasn't ideal.
That was not your best effort.
Alright, we'll take a little break. Take a little break. Now, we're going to do it again. Good. Take a photo. Okay. You can get up. And this is this is how you could do it. This is good. Here we are again. Here we go. I'll touch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Alright. This isn't the same thing we did before.
Of course it's not. As soon as you start videoing, it's...
Here we go. That was awful. No, sloppy. We're done? Are we done?
Look at the foot.
Let's put it in. What are you doing?
Oh, child.
Good. That was very good. Let's go down. 2 steps. 1.
Bend your knee.
1. Very good. That was excellent. 2.
Oh.
What about the excellent?
Where's your milk?
Where's your milk?